Hello guys, in this lecture we are going to learn about a method in the string class of Java called substring. It's a very important method and very widely used. So let's create a class and learn how to use that method. Class, I'll give the name, we'll use the main method and finish. Okay, so I'll take a string str. You can take anything in practice. I'm taking Adam and Eve. Okay, now to apply the method substring, we have to write the variable name first and then sub. You can see the list of options here. We'll select the second one, which takes the input int begin index. Okay, so from begin index, it will start reading the string and till the end it will go. So I want Eve to be printed. So what I'm going to do, since string is index space, its indexing starts from 0. So A is 0, B is 1, A is 2, M is 3, and this is 4. So I will start from 5. Okay, let's see we counted correctly or not, and I'll just store it in a string. Okay, you can directly print it out, but it's better practice to store it in a variable and then print out that variable. So CSO str1. So let's count it again. 0 1 2 3 4 5. So according to my calculation, it will give me Eve. EVE. Let's see, run as Java application. So you can see here the result Eve. Let's say I give here 4. Can you guess what will be the result? Now it will start from and. Okay, so it will be and E. Okay, so this is how the substring method works. Substring method has two variations actually. This is one of the variations, and in the next class I will teach you another variation. So thanks for joining guys and watching the video. Please comment uh, down and uh, tell me what videos you want to see, and on Java and Selenium and TestNG automation testing. So please comment, share, subscribe, and like the video. Thanks for watching my video.